Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X6, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from here we will navigate to About Phone, scroll down and select Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, so if there is anything from that list that you'd like to keep, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a backup copy or you don't want to progress further, and if I remember correctly, by pressing Erase All Data, we also have the option to back it up right here. So you can utilize that as well. Though keep in mind, when doing such a backup through right here, exactly, you are backing it up to Xiaomi Cloud, as you can see right over here. So if you, for instance, want to reset this device because you got a new phone and said the new phone isn't Xiaomi, you won't have a way to restore the data from this backup. So just be aware of that. Anyway, continuing on, we're going to select Factory Reset. Now Xiaomi considers their user base to be lacking in brain cells, so they give you a 10-second timer on first and second page, letting you know that this cannot be undone. So once 10 seconds passes, we can confirm that, and then another 10 seconds before, they get to hammer it on that this cannot be undone. Are you absolutely certain that you want to reset your phone? And you want to select OK once the timer runs out. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now this process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.